Nike Incorporated declared an extension of their collaboration with the NFL in December. Before the two organizations' connection reaches its full potential in 2038, they will release Pegasus 41 running shoes that are modeled by the league's teams. In homage to the Philadelphia Eagles, the defending Super Bowl champions, the tried-and-true workhorse with wings has made an appearance using the color scheme Sport Teal, Medium Silver, and Black ahead of the summer. Over the past year, the sneaker has become a popular choice for many runners, and it retains all of its features. The vivid green color of its breathable textile upper, on the other hand, complements any Saquon Barkley or Gene Hurts shirt. The lateral heel of the ReactX-cushioned runner bears the bird insignia of the team. Enjoy the official preview of the Pegasus 41, which is inspired by the Eagles. By the end of September, pairs should be available for $150 on Nike.com.